Hello everyone, do you remember this table runner? If you like this table runner and interested to watch the step-by-step tutorial, you can click here for the tutorial. And hello, do you remember this table centerpiece I made before? If you are interested to the step-by-step tutorial, you can click here for the related video. And on this video, I will show you another idea by using this already made runner and table centerpiece. To decorate the table, of course, I will separate the table runner. Okay, look, completed the plan. Let's check the effect. Okay, look, this is the whole effect. Look. Let's zoom in to check the detail. Okay, look. Let's check it in detail. Our plant, cutters, stand, flowers and leaves. We can supply all the material used on our video. If you are interested to order, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link to the page from below information, below this video. Okay, let's check the effect from darker environment. Okay, look, let's check it in darker environment. Please do me a favor by do not skip the advertisement because I want the revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Okay, let's zoom in for the detail. Okay, look, let's turn on the light and check the effect again. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.